one say.
One say.
One say by men.
Two of them. 100 na money.
To Ghana 100 bucks. Not 2 of us.
But no, you today.
Now wow, money enter.
Okay.
One say, oh, money come.
Okay, those people too plenty now.
Where you want say?
I beg na money find another thing.
Move come on.
That's it full load. I beg money come down. Full load.
Which guy drive a bit self?
I beg, money no vex. Na full load with that. I beg money come. Once you done here.
No.
Only she dey go where?
Oh my God.
Only you dey go back.
Oga dey go abeg. I don dey late sir.
Almost 2 passengers so chai. I walk this one today. I think only you dey go. And you mean am?
So wetin go happen now?
I think only you dey go. Only you dey go.
Jesus is Lord.
Thank you very much for watching that very Live Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday, see you on Friday. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I don't know what you learned from that video. Please tell us what is your lesson there. Bye bye. Share that video. Subscribe.